You're not going to budget your way to financial freedom. You see, your budget is like a car, and your paycheck is like the fuel that goes into it. That cash flow, too many people are focusing on the expense side. You need to find a way to optimize your income to have the perfect paycheck, have that jet fuel into your car going towards your money goals. Do you want a quick way to burn out at work? Now hang with me. If you're just earning and getting that paycheck, spending it week after week, rinse, repeat, earn, spend, and you don't have a plan for every dollar that comes into your pocket, then you're losing out on momentum. Having a plan for every dollar in your budget is going to provide more direction in your spending, and it's going to create more purpose for your work. That's going to drive your paycheck to a better place. Have you ever driven a car with a 5-gallon gas tank? Could you imagine going to the gas pump every single day? That's what it's like when debt is eating up your income. So minimize debt, prioritize cash flow, and optimize your budget. When you get that tax refund each year, does it feel like a second Christmas? Now, what you're doing is you're giving a zero interest loan to the government right out of your paycheck. It's not worth it. You can talk to your employer, adjust your W-4 so that you're getting as close to $0 owed each year as possible. That's going to give more money in your pocket to get you closer to your financial goals. Do you brush your teeth each day? You should. Having good hygiene is just as important with financial hygiene as it is personal health. Now, every day you need to have an app set up for any unusual transactions or excessive spending. Every week, check those transactions one by one. Every month, adjust your budget accordingly and track your spending categories. Every year, adjust those goals. Keep moving them along as your progress continues. Doesn't love free money? I mean, no strings attached, pre-tax dollars. Your employer may have a 401k match or a retirement savings match. That's free money. You should take that, and after that, max out your Roth IRA. This is going to optimize your paycheck and push you faster towards your retirement goals. Tax saving solution that people rarely use. Now, if you have access to an HSA or an FSA, that's a health savings account or flexible spending account, through your employer and your healthcare provider, you could be saving money on your taxes 3 different ways. Now, you can take that money, you can spend it on anything from vitamins to daycare to medical bills, depending on what kind of account it is, and then you have a tax triple threat there. Now, these deposits are pre-tax and tax deductible. These growth is tax-free, and the spending is tax-free.